Dr. Richard Rubega oriyo myaka nka 40 n'enzaro y'icaro eca Busesa eri kushanga omugomborora eya Matare mu district ya Kibale kandi ogwa kashomo bushaho bitunagira ngu akaruha kuronda emirimo ya government omu marwariro amahango hamwe na za health center force ecaretire yahurikizo omuranga gwa President Museveni okuyo kubasa kukozesa enkora eya 4A Kamodo atyo akabasa kuruga omu bworo.
Oh, I don't know.
Mwaka 2014 ogwa Kasharamu yatandikaho projects zirimo empunu enkoko okurise embuzi wakame ebyenyanja ente hamwe no kuhinga omwani otireho na avocado hamwe na n'urutoke ahari kugira ngo nayiha miliyoni 2 na buri kwezi ngo kandi umwaka atunga sente ziri kwingana miliyoni 2.9 ekimuretire okubasa kutandika projects zitari zimwe na zimwe ho mu cyaro cya Busesa.
Oh, in the year we get averagely 290 million per year net profit. So you find that money we manage to, it helps us to raise new projects, enterprises, like we have Busesa Medical Center 3, which is supported by the farm. We have housing projects, which we are doing around the area.
Dr. Rubega na yongera dirangu obwa hati akagaruka yaganyurana no musente zemyoga hamwe na wealth creation abwa hati hari kugira ngo ahafamuye hari ebintu bihango ebi government ebasize kumuhwera.
Rise in the cost of agricultural inputs. The cost of inputs are getting higher, and we are looking also climatic changes are also affecting us, like a drought, where we find our crops get affected.
Nagirango abeji kurugo matendekero gatari gamwe na gamwe nibija ahamwanyogu okugira ngo base kugira ekibayegaho. Bitu bamwe ombahinji okuruga Bunyoro Toro Busoga hamwe na Buganda ababasize kurambura omwanya ogu nibagira ngo hine cyango kibegire otirona no kwindura ahanteka yabo okwenda kubasa kugira ngo nabo bagire ekibayongeraho bari gukora kwenda kubasa kuganyirwamo.
I have learned goat keeping, piggery, cows, dairy cattle keeping. There are very many enterprises. We have also banana plantations. Banana plantation is the mostly daily income generating in our community.
He has like 3 or 4 fruits. But what he has, I saw, he has chicken, layers, about 2,000. He has a cow. They are there, there is 4 cows, and he's milking. He told us every day. In the morning he milking 10 liters per cow. That's 40 liters every day.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Andrew Musinguzi aha wa Sky TV.